Welcome to the brand new 2022 Colorado ZR2. The Chevy Colorado is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior, power windows, locks, and mirrors. We do have automatic headlights, your four-wheel drive auto system as well there. Trailer brake controller, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, keyed ignition. We do have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Single zone climate control in the Colorado. We do have traction control and locking front and rear independent differentials electronically. Trailer mode, heated seat controls, USB ports, your ZR2 shift knob, wireless charging pad. We have the all black interior as well, rubberized floor liners, and our leather heated ZR2 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the ZR2, we do have the 17-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires. You can see the Ultimatic DSSV racing suspension on the back of the Colorado. Truck is a crew cab, color-matched door handles and mirror caps. Colorado on the front door. Up front, the ZR2 does come with the factory lift, making room for the big wheel and tire packages, as well as that upgraded suspension on all four corners. Up front, we have the ZR2 branded grille and bumper cut. You do have the red tow hooks as well as metal skid plates underneath the belly of the ZR2. Coming down the side, rear tinted privacy windows and remote start equipped. ZR2 badging on the box. At the rear of the truck, you have the color matched rear bumper with the cuts as well, making room for better departure angles. Truck does have the trailer tow package as well as the backup camera on the tailgate. Redesigned Chevrolet ZR2 tailgate. Looking in the box, you do have the ZR2 OEM factory bed liner. Jumping into the interior here, second row, that leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. A sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, a solid roof on all the Colorados as well. You do have dual USB ports and a 12-volt, and we do have our rubberized floor liners installed from the factory as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Colorado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.